throw them away if no one wants them, because now it's just getting rude. And then someone, he managed to buy two, and put a new, nice pair there instead.
I've got this one right. In today's episode, how are you doing? Welcome. So today, I'm about to eat what did I have for breakfast? I had a great breakfast. I had one of those Liba breads with butter and vegan blue cheese and a pear sliced on top. It was like gorgeous cold pizza that has not been heated. Doesn't sound so good, does it? No. Anyway, I'm about to eat my lunch. That harissa tofu with chimichurri sauce and rice, and then I am going to go home to Ulf, help him sort out his closets, because he's got a problem with over shopping, jackets, coats, stuff like that. I mean, people, does this look absolutely fantastical, right? I'm hungry anyway. I'm about to go on my bike and go home to Ulf. I wonder if those gloves I left out in the basket on my bike, if they're still there. If someone has finally stolen them. Because if they are not, I will throw them away, because they have been wet. Because it's been raining. So, I mean, yeah, that would just be rude. Take these disgusting old... No. So let's go to Ulf, where we are going to go through his wardrobe and sort of choose, organize and see what fits him and what does not fit him and what can go to Goodwill. I think they will be mostly black. Black. People, it's time to go out. It's not raining, but join me. What? Are they gone? Are they gone? Oh, someone put... This is so much fun. Someone put another pair there. A nice new pair there. Okay, so... Who did this? This is fantastic. This is the greatest thing today. This is the greatest thing all week. Who did this? These are really nice. So, for those of you who are not familiar with the story of the gloves, this is not the sun, it's a car approaching. That's why I look like sunshine. Anyway, so here's the story of the gloves. When I was going through my old gloves, I found this old pair that was really sort of, it was fit to throw away, but I mean, you could use them, so I put them in the basket on my bike, and I thought, someone would take them. But no one did for over a week, and I was sort of feeling bad, and then today I was sort of like, I'm going to throw them away if no one wants them, because now it's just getting rude. And then someone had taken them and put a new, nice pair there instead. Isn't that fantastic? I wonder if it's someone who's seen the story here, or if someone's just gone by and seen those gloves and thought I'd change them, exchange them. I mean, this is fantastic, right? Now I've been thinking about those gloves. Should I take them out? I mean, are they a present for me? Or should I just leave them? Am I being selfish if I take them? Or ungrateful if I don't take them? Life. La 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 la. I'm standing in the elevator, singing a song to myself and to you, and who else? Well, that's it. I've lost the melody, and I don't even care to rhyme anymore. How do? Thank you.
Sminkflaska.
Thank you. What are we going to do today?
We're gonna eat
Yes?
and maybe sort through the coat.
Could you show us the closet?
No,
Can I go look at it?
restricted area.
Can I look at it?
Yes.
So here is what I don't know if you can see. They're sort of all piled upon each other, and then we have this one here, sort of piled upon each other. So I think we had better do this today. God, remember those damn candles that Ulf and I was buying? He managed to buy two. He bought this about one that should arrive at his place, and then he got two, and I've got one because I've got this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God, fantastic! So that's the story with those, because we don't think the one you ordered and sent to my mother. I don't think they will
I
arrive.
have like 15 messages from Ikea here and so many orders. So I think all the orders that didn't go through
Yeah.
went through, and now they. I don't know.
So you're going to get a lot of candles.
No, I don't think, because then they say, oh, it's wrong with the order. We had to let few. You have to get the credit thingy. Så I don't know. Jag kan liksom inte skilja på.
Ulf just lit his. Fantastic. But do you have a lid on yours? Doesn't have a lid on mine.
In the bottom.
Oh, that's not good, is it? Oh, they're kind of fantastic. This scent is then Swedish birch and juniper. So it's kind of like a gin tonic without the gin. No, without the tonic in the woods. We're going to try out one. Start with one of the closets and see what happens. There's a Swedish word called taggad, which means that you're really just psyched. Taggad. Hello and welcome to Swedish word of the day. Taggad. Start with that one. So this is going great, and I think if you all hang them on hangers, it wouldn't be so bad. Well, of course, then we have this. So people now stuff is out and into the living room instead. So now there will be some sort of sorting going on. Slytherins. That's all I know. I don't speak Harry Potter. So the coats. So Ulf is now doing the sort of overshirt, sort of shirt jackets that he's partial to. He's, well, this is all it.
This is kind of summer.
Thank you. Coats, jackets, suit jackets, and the debris. We can't really find... Oh, it's taking a break. This is going to go to a shop that sells on commission. This is going to be donated. This is... Don't say anything. This is going down into the basement. This, from here on, is only going to be for bags. We just decided. Feel good? Stockholm University.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Is that an old bag? You're so youthful.
Yeah.
So can you take us through the two closets now?
These are jackets.
I just want to show people how embarrassing it is. He's wearing a blue and white striped shirt and I am as well. Sorry.
Jackets
Jackets
and coats.
and coats.
Very easy to take out and in.
Yes.
And in and out. And
This is an old IV stand.
here we have coat jackets. No, jackets.
Shirt jackets.
Shirt jackets and jackets. And,
Jackets.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And little bags.
Little bags. Are you tremendously satisfied?
Ja, med fläsk. Ja. Sen var det bra. Okej, tack så mycket. Hej hej.
We are going down into the basement and then we're going to pick up the takeaway. Our lives are glamorous and exciting. Oh yes, he's... Gud, vad heter det på engelska?
Coat.
Combination locket. Locket.
Lock, inte locket.
Lock. So, yeah. So we've been clearing out this for 3 times, I think.
Yeah.
But somehow it keeps coming back. We are hungry as the...
Wolf.
We are also going to be watching some television. Is there any show we're watching right now that we sort of stopped watching or should continue watching? Was something we were looking at. I can't remember. And we had some trouble deciding whether this was meat or tofu, and if this was tofu or meat. But we decided that there's no meat shaped like this. So hopefully. And then he tasted that and said this is meat. But then again, he could eat tofu just to sort of spite me. This is something Swedish called rice. This is so good because I'm having this that I forced Ulf, his words. I forced him to buy this. He absolutely loves it.
Nej.
You don't? Something's wrong with you then, because that's really good. We are also watching a documentary about 3 triplets who were separated at birth, I think, or something. I don't know. I don't care. Netflix. 3 identical strangers. Okay, this show is rather good. It's for teenagers mostly, but if you're gay, you'd never grow old. So, Dash and Lily, quite good on Netflix. Watch it. If not, just for great shots of New York. It's time for me to go. We've seen 3 great shows. No, first that documentary and then 2 episodes of Lily and Dash. I need to dash now.
And I need to Lily.
I'm getting a party gift from Ulf. Takeaway containers. And I really... This is so thoughtful. I get so happy when I get these. Great. Thank you. Something weird really happened when I was filming some last minute footage at Ulf's, and then suddenly said your account has been suspended, your Instagram account, on account of someone trying to get in or something like that. So I had to go home and reset the whole thing, and you so that's it. But I was sort of like, what's this? What? But... Well, you needn't have worried, and you haven't worried, because to you it's not. I haven't been gone for that long, but to me it was sort of like, what happened? Has someone sort of taken over my Instagram account? What has happened? Anyway, I'm home and I'm about to upload today's video. Okay, people, you can swipe up because I just uploaded a video called Pokeball and Rocketman. It is about from last Sunday when Ulf and I went for that bike ride to Hammarby Sjöstad, and then we came back to Liljeholmen and bought Pokeballs, and we went to his place and watched Netflix and saw that Rocketman, the Elton John film that I really didn't like. So, well, you can just swipe up anytime now if you want to go and see it. Because, it was kind of a fun day, I think. Today has been a better day than that Sunday. But that Sunday was great. This day, been fantastic. Yeah, today is almost a Hollywood movie script. So, there you go. Swipe up.
Tell us about the movie.
Vegan mayonnaise and vegan salmon.
Before, tell us about the movie.
In today's episode, how do you do, Winter Wabbas and welcome. So today I have nothing planned. I've talked to Ulf about going on. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family and lovers how fantastic I am, and tell them to watch me as well.